Amazon offers numerous legitimate ways to earn online, from selling products to creating digital content. Here are 5 proven methods. First, Amazon FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon. Source or manufacture products and let Amazon handle storage, packing, and shipping. Amazon has recently lowered FBA fees by 10 to 15% for select categories. Second, Amazon affiliate marketing through the Associates program. Earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on your blog, YouTube, or social media. Commissions typically range from 4 to 10%. Third, retail arbitrage. Buy discounted products from stores like Walmart or Target and resell them on Amazon for a profit. Use apps like Flip or Scout to find deals. Fourth, drop shipping. Partner with suppliers who ship directly to your customers. List products on Amazon and fulfill orders via third-party services. Look for Amazon's Dropship Ready badge to qualify listings. Fifth, Kindle Direct Publishing. Self-publish ebooks, audiobooks, or paperbacks on Amazon and earn royalties. Aim to price ebooks at $2.99 plus to earn 70% royalties. Each method requires strategy and adherence to Amazon's policies. E-commerce is booming, with Amazon at the forefront of key trends like AI and automation, niche specialization, and mobile commerce. AI and automation are transforming the platform, with 40% of sellers using AI tools for product research and pricing. Niche specialization is key, especially in areas like eco-friendly or health-focused products. Mobile and social commerce are crucial, with 60% of Amazon traffic coming from mobile devices. A real-world example is Grove Collaborative, which scaled to Amazon with eco-friendly products, achieving $500 million in sales through Fulfillment by Amazon. Expert tips include Jungle Scout CEO Greg Mercer stating that AI tools are game changers for new sellers. Remember that 1 in 4 new sellers profits within the first year, but consistent effort is key. Always check Amazon Seller Central for the latest policy updates.